Let's look at some notes on technical drawings and specifications. Graphical information is a very important element of communication for those who work in engineering. Technical drawings and specifications can be used to show the characteristics of a product in terms of the shape. This is important in terms of the appearance or the aesthetics being pleasing to the eye. The shape of an object contributes to its aerodynamic and wind resistance. Of course, you want it to be very pleasing to the eye if you're going to be selling it to the public, for example. If it's a car, motorcycle, or other motor vehicles, and even some other types of machines. Size. This is important in terms of how much material is required. So the drawing should show not only the shape but the size. And those who are going to build it will be able to estimate or calculate the amount of material that will be required to build it from the drawing. The use of scale is obviously important on using a drawing to derive actual dimensions. When we're talking about a scale, an example would be, say, a house drawing as we're having a scale of 1 to 50. That means if you measure a distance, for example, the width of a window on the drawing as 1 centimeter, on the real house it is 50 centimeter. Whatever is on the drawing, when you compare it to the real house, it is 50 times longer. So 1 to 50 is an example of a scale. Material. This has implication in terms of weight and cost. So the drawing would have material on it, the features, what a product can do. So this is concentrating on mechanical drawing, but a lot of it also affects or should be found on electrical drawings. Technical drawings can be used to give additional product information, for example, the material, the type and quantity of materials required, the manufacturing or installation data, details of any specialist jigs or templates that make manufacture or installation easier and more reliable, and special processes and equipment requirements. Details of specialist processes or equipment is listed to avoid wastage of material or damage to manufacturing tools and equipment. So those are some of the elements that a technical drawing should have.